Hi, welcome to Laravel interview basic question part 2. Let's go. First question, history of Laravel. Laravel is created by Taylor Otwell in June 2011. Taylor Otwell created Laravel as an attempt to provide more advanced alternative to the coordinator framework, which didn't provide creating features such as built-in support for user authentication and authorization. Laravel first beta release as mode available on June 9, 2011, followed by the Laravel 1 release later in the same month. Laravel 1 include built-in support for authentication, models, views, sessions, routing, but locked support for controllers that prevent it for being a true MVC framework. Next slide. Laravel 2 was released in September 2011, bringing virus improvement for the author and community. Major new features include the support for controllers, which made Laravel to a fully MVC compliant framework. Laravel 3 was released in February 2012 with a set of new features including the CMD command line interface named Artisan, built-in support for more database management system and database migration. In increase of Laravel's user base and popularity line up with the release of Laravel 3. Laravel 4 was released in May 2013. It was made as a complete rewrite of the Laravel framework. Start using Composer, which server as an application Laravel package manager. Other new features in the Laravel 4 release include database seeder for the initializations populations of database and built-in support for sending different type of email. Laravel 5 was released in February 2015, was a result of internal changes. New feature in Laravel 5 release includes supported for always remotely storage to the use in the same way as local file systems, and simplified externally handle authentication through the optimization society package. Laravel 5 also integration and new internal directory 3 structure. History of Laravel 5.1 released in June 2015 was the first release of Laravel to receive long-term support LTC. New LTC version were planned for one every 2 years. Laravel 5.3 was released on August 23, 2016. The new feature in 5.3 are feature on improvement developer speed by adding additionalizations on out of the box improvements for common tasks. Laravel 5.4 was released on January 20, 24 2017 with many new features like Laravel tags, Laravel Max Blade component, and slot markdown emails, authentic features, route improvements, higher order managing for Laravel. Laravel 6 was released on September 3, 2019. Interacting interacting September improved authentication response, improved job middleware and job query. The front-end schema was remote for the main package and moved into the Laravel UI package. Laravel 7 was released in March 3, 2020, with new features like Laravel Centum, Laravel Airlog, Blade component, tag, and route model binding improvements. Laravel 8 was released in September 8, 2020, with new features like September models, folder, PHP artisan serve, inheritance, routing, namespace, change, and much more. Thanks for watching.